Good morning, students. So, our running chapter of history is chapter 4, British rule in India. We have already learned about the European traders. They established East India Company in the India, and when India was got independent, we have already learned that. Okay. Now today we are going to start. Our third topic is the traders become the rulers. Means the European, means the British traders, how they become rulers. Okay. The British traders become the most powerful among the Europeans. जो जितने यूरोपियंस थे उसमें सबसे पावरफुल कौन थे? ब्रिटिशर्स थे. ओके. They realized that they would become much richer if they could get hold of land in India. Okay. They realize. Okay. Or at that time, India was divided into many kingdoms. At that time, when the Britishers came into India, India was divided into many kingdoms. Okay. And these kingdoms were always fighting with each other, and these kingdoms were always fighting with each other. Means kings are always fighting with each other, and the Britishers took advantage of this. Okay, they promised to protect Indian ruler for their enemies, and in return, these rulers had to hand over some parts of their kingdom to the British, and gradually after that, the British traders started behaving like rulers. Okay. When the British traders started behaving like ruler, then Indians suffer under British rule. And what are the crises they have suffered? In time, the British control most of India. उस टाइम में ब्रिटिशर्स ने मोस्ट ऑफ मतलब जितने भी इंडिया के आधे पार्ट पे उन्होंने क्या किया था? कंट्रोल कर लिया था. दे रेज्ड एन आर्मी दैट हैड इंडियन सोल्जर्स. उन्होंने अपनी आर्मी को बढ़ाया जिसमें उन्होंने किसे ऐड किया? इंडियन सोल्जर्स को. दे डिड वॉट एवर दे वॉन्टेड मीन्स जो उन्हें चाहिए था वो करते थे. दे इंक्रीज टैक्सेस, दे फोर्स टू आर्मर टू स्टॉप growing food crops and instead grow crops such as indigo and cotton for trading. Okay, ट्रेडिंग के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया कि उनको ग्रोइंग फूड क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करने के लिए मना कर दिया और उनकी जगह पे किसे क्रॉप करने के लिए, किसे खेती करने के लिए बोला? कॉटन्स और इंडिगो को. सो द इंडियंस हैड लेस फूड एंड मेनी पीपल हैड टू गो हंग्री. The Indian who worked for the British were treated badly. They were not allowed to hold high position and were paid less than their British colleagues. अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि इंडियंस को ब्रिटिशर्स क्या करते थे? उन्हें कोई हाई पोस्ट नहीं देते थे और उनके साथ जो उनके कलीग्स थे उन्हें ज़्यादा पेमेंट मिलती थी. कोई जो सर्विस करते थे वो उन्हें ज़्यादा पेमेंट मिलती थी. इन कंपैरिजन टू इंडियंस उनको बहुत कम मिलती थी. दिस लेड टू ह्यूज रिवॉल्ट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स एंड दिस रिवॉल्ट इज कॉल्ड एज 1857 revolution. Okay. So in our next video we have learned about the revolt of 1857 and the end of the revolt 1857. Okay. Thank you, students.